one question to ask you. What if you can get paid $2 for scrolling through pages, or maybe clicking a button to watch a simple video? Well, what if you can make 50 cents by liking or commenting on a video? Imagine all of that, and then imagine being able to do this on both your computer and your mobile phone. Amazing, right? You only need a few minutes in your day to be able to complete these tasks and earn as much as $65 every single day within minutes. You can get paid through PayPal, bank transfer, Bitcoin, and a whole lot more ways. This method is fresh and brand new, and not a lot of people have caught on to this method yet, so we're going to be teaching you everything that you need to know. If you stay until the end, I'm going to be sharing with you a bonus tip that's going to help you make an extra $50 on top of your $65 every single day without basically doing any work at all. If you want to know more, then make sure that you watch this entire video until the very last second of it to know everything that you need to know and to come out successful with today's method. Hey y'all, it's Digital Money Queen here. If it's your first time on this channel, welcome. I'm so glad that you're here. And if it's not your first time, then welcome back. I'm so happy to see you again. If you aren't subscribed yet, don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of the family and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time I have a new video up and ready for you. Don't forget to like this video and let's jump right into it. So, to start this method off, we want you to go on your default browser and then proceed to type in zareclamy.com and hit enter on that. As you can see, make money online on the phone, computer, or tablet. Get paid wherever you are without investment. You can download this on both Android and iOS devices, so you have nothing to worry about in that area. Turn your time into profit. Some benefits are, it is a flexible solution. Zareclamy is a full-time or additional job for all people from every country. You can earn money on any device with access to the internet, wherever you are. You will get paid for your spent time and engagement on the platform. Everything is under your control. You can choose how you want to earn money by playing games, completing surveys, watching videos, shopping online, and even creating accounts. Then, you can collect your profits. By following simple instructions, just in a month's time, you can earn up to $150 without any additional taxes and charges. However, there is no limit of your earnings. You set your own working hours. Now, how can Zareclamy help you? You can increase your earnings. Wherever you are, on the bus, at work, at school, at the hairdresser, or even the toilet, you can always earn money on Zareclamy. Do not waste precious time browsing Facebook and other social media. All you need is a mobile device and access to the internet. You can even set goals. You can focus on what you're good at and what works best for you. Now, there are 5 ways to earn money on Zareclamy, and each of them is distinguished by a feature that might suit you best. Engagement and your time are key to high earnings. To the newcomers, where are y'all from? I would love to know. Comment it down below so I can use it as reference for my future videos as well. Now let's continue. The methods of earning on this website alone would be playing games, filling out surveys, watching videos, and online shopping. One website, but a ton of different ways to earn. First, you can select your method of earning. Then, you can start earning and leave all the admin stuff to the website. Now to sign up, just click on registration on the upper right corner, and that should lead you to here. Just provide your email and your password, then click on next step. Then you're going to give your first and your last name and hit on registration, and boom, you should find yourself straight into your dashboard. Now, as you can see, you'll see all of your estimated earnings today, yesterday, in the last 7 days, and even for the past month, and also your balance. Now, there are a few things that you need to accomplish before you're able to completely proceed with being able to work. First, you have to verify your email address. So go on your email inbox and find an email just like this one and just hit on verify account, and that should open up a new tab which would now be your verified Zareklami account. Yay! Now, we want you to click on the earn button, which you can find on the left side of your screen. And here's where you can choose your method of earning. So first, we're going to discuss the first method of earning, and that would be to watch videos. So go ahead and click on the earn button that goes under the watch videos section, and then you should see these two options pop up. But at this time, you need to make sure that you're already on your mobile devices to be able to choose. Anyway, it'll then take you to this page where you just basically click on what's given, and all you need to do is scroll and move around as much as you possibly can, just so that they know you aren't a robot. And once you've been on the page long enough, your work will then be credited and money will be sent straight into your PayPal account. If you're liking this video so far, then I suggest that you give me a 2 thumbs up before the video ends later on, so that I'll know you reached this part of the video. And subscribe if you still aren't subscribed to join the family. Now let's get back into the video. Once you're done scrolling around, once you go back to the earn button once again that we initially clicked on, you might end up on a random video, and you're going to have to press play and watch the video, and make sure that you stay until the timer ends, or else that won't be recorded and you won't earn the money that you're supposed to earn. Then make sure you like the video, share the video, and from that alone, you're also going to earn. So at this point, you're already earning from scrolling, watching, and leaving engagement. Wow! Now, down to our last approach, which would be our bonus approach, which is to refer other people. Okay, just click on Referral Program, which you can find on the left side of the screen again, and that should take you straight to your own unique link. Just copy that link, share it on all social media platforms, and boom, you can earn as much money as possible on complete autopilot. You could be earning half of what your referrals are earning whenever they pay out, which is just absolutely insane. And that is everything. Thanks for watching, y'all. I hope you enjoyed today's video because I definitely enjoyed discovering and creating it. If you want to see more videos, don't forget to subscribe to the channel before clicking off, because my next video is going to be awesome and you wouldn't want to miss that. Please give me 2 thumbs up to show me your love and hit the button